Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the G-ON Dash Cam 2 channel installed on a BMW X3 2013. So we have the rear camera as we showed you, and here we have our front camera. The G-ON, as you can see, very nice flat mount to the windshield, pretty much invisible. We got our GPS antenna in here. Got the USB on the top, that is for our Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to show you the image you get on the phone. So we're going to put this on the side. As you can see, we have a very wide image. You can see that we can see very wide to the sides. Second, I'm gonna mount this in here. Okay, we have the information on the side here. Shows us speed, shows us the time, shows us the voltage of the battery in the vehicle. I'm gonna go to the rear camera. So this is our rear camera. Can you please close the trunk? So we'll have the rear camera. Okay, as you can see, again, a very wide angle. We have the ADS adjustment, so we can do the ADS adjustments on the front camera. We can do the ADS adjustments in here if we want to do any adjustments. We have we're gonna go back to the home. We have all the settings for the camera, voltage management and everything. We can see everything on our phone, all the controls in here. We're gonna go out. We can see all the recorded videos. So recorded videos indicates parking, impact. When we are connected to Wi-Fi, we have a parking mode begin. We have a motion detection. You can see all those features, everything on your videos. You can play them here. You can see everything here. You can watch the rear camera also at the same time. You can download it to your phone. Pretty much everything in here. And basically you can also adjust the camera, go into live view, seeing front and back. The G-ON Dash Cam is available at Car System Installation. For more information, give us a call, and you can also subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.